Hello everyone, and welcome back to Keysfan Tech. If you've ever looked into buying Microsoft Office or Windows operating systems directly from Microsoft or authorized resellers, you already know the prices can be extremely high. Whether you need these tools for work, study, or everyday personal use, the cost can be a major barrier. But what if I told you there's a way to get fully functional, 100% legitimate Windows and Microsoft Office software for just a fraction of the price? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using a platform called keysfan.com. We'll go over what Keysfan offers, why it's safe and reliable, and I'll walk you through the exact steps to purchase software like Windows 11 Pro or Office 2021 using exclusive discount codes to save up to 62%. Here's why upgrading your system is worth it. Improved performance, faster boot times, smoother multitasking, and better software support. Better security, stay protected from malware and cyber threats with the latest patches and updates. Productivity boost, get access to newer tools and features in PowerPoint, Excel, Word, and more. Keysfan is a trusted online platform that sells OEM software keys at incredibly affordable prices. These are not pirated or cracked versions. They are official, fully functional, and activated online. With over 100,000 registered users, Keysfan operates 365 days a year, offering 24/7 customer support in case you face any issues before, during, or after purchase. That's one of the major reasons why more and more users are switching to this platform when they need to activate or upgrade their software. Now let's talk about some of the most popular products they offer. Microsoft Windows 10 and 11, Home and Pro Editions. Microsoft Office suites such as Office 2016, 2019, and the highly optimized Office 2021. Windows Plus Office bundles, other software tools, and even game keys, all at prices far below the official market rate. Now's the perfect time to upgrade, because Keysfan is running their spring special event with insane discounts. Here's what's hot. Windows 11 Pro key for as low as $14. Microsoft Office 2021 Pro key for around $40. Or get a bundle like Windows 11 Plus Office 2021 for even less. And it gets even better with my exclusive coupon codes. Use MO52 to get 52% off all Windows keys. Use MO62 to get 62% off Office and bundles. Let me show you how easy it is to grab a license. Go to the product page and click Add to Cart. Head to checkout now. Here's the magic part. Enter coupon code MO52 and boom. Your price drops instantly. For example, original price, $56. After MO52, only $27.33, that's a savings of nearly $30. You can pay using credit card or PayPal, whichever is easier for you. If you're planning for future upgrades or have a second PC, I highly recommend buying 2 key bundles. The discount is even better, and you'll save more in the long run. Also, they don't just sell Windows and Office. You'll find tools like video editors, system utilities, even game keys, all at discounted prices. So if you're ready to upgrade your PC, boost your productivity, and save big, head over to keysfan.com. Use coupon codes MO52 and MO62 for the biggest discounts of the year. Links and coupon codes are all in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Keysfan Tech, and hit that to stay updated on the best tech deals out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.